should they help or should they charge, right? Should they be making money or should they be helpful? Like, what is it? Hello everyone, Coach Kalu here. On today's topic, I want to talk about some questions I've been getting a lot of from people in business or just in different industries, or reaching out and they're saying, you know, with everything that's going on and everyone wants to be helpful, but should they help or should they charge, right? Should they be making money or should they be helpful? Like, what is it? My simple answer is both. It depends on the situation, right? If you can be helpful, be helpful. For those people who have businesses or those people who have a certain service that you can be helpful, find an opportunity to help someone out, because you never know what's happening for them, or they may not be in a position right now. But again, having said that, you also have to feed yourself and your families and take care of business. And so maybe there's certain aspects of your business or services that you just cannot give away for free. And so that's when it makes sense and appropriate for you to charge, right? But again, here's an example of this. So lawyers, quite a few lawyers, they used to charge for consultation. With everything that's going on, maybe your consultation fee could be waived, right? Maybe your strategy fees, your initial meetings, you know, all those things could be waived and be helpful to help someone through the direction or get them to a place of clarity. What that will be helpful for them. And then if they want your services, then you can arrange a rate that makes sense for them or as well for you. You could have creative ways around your rates. Could be payment plans. It could be a little bit up front now and the rest later. So think outside the box, or what I like to say, beyond the box. Think beyond the box that you know is going to help your business and also going to help the individuals you're trying to help. So when appropriate, give it away for free, be helpful, and when it's not or appropriate somewhere else, then charge. But again, you're helping too when you are charging for your services as well. So it doesn't have to be help means free, charge means no help. It just simply means when it's appropriate, if you can help by not charging, help by not charging. And when you can't, then you can't. And people will understand that. People will understand that. Comes back to intention sometimes. So that's my tip when it comes to, do I sell or do I help by not charging? I think it really depends on your business, depends on your clients, depends on your prospecting. Thank you for tuning in. Coach Kalu here. Stay safe, help others where you can, and be safe and healthy.